So that didn't work as well as I thought it would work because Mum's pretty smart. But at least you got to hear a bit of screen reaction. So I'll be doing more of some angry mum and some angry cousins. So yeah, that's it. Bye.